How to fix NAT type unavailable on Xbox. First, restart the Xbox and router. Hold the Xbox power button for around 10 seconds, then power cycle the router. Step 2. Test NAT type. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings, and then Test NAT type. Step 3. Change alternate port selection. Go to the Settings, General, Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate Port Selection, and then Manual. Then select another available port. Step 4. Enable UPnP on the router. Log into the router's settings and find UPnP, usually somewhere under Advanced or NAT settings. Enable it and reboot the router. The exact interface varies by router. UPnP allows the Xbox to request the necessary port mappings automatically. Step 5. Clear alternate MAC address. Go to the Settings, General, Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC Address, clear, then restart. Step 6. Check for double NAT. Look at Settings, General, Network Settings. If there's a router behind router problem, Xbox may display double NAT detected. Step 7. Connect with Ethernet. Connect an Ethernet cable from the router directly to the Ethernet port on the back of the Series X or S. Step 8. ISP or CGNAT problem. If everything previously failed, check whether your ISP uses CGNAT. At this point, you'd contact the ISP and ask whether they can provide a public IPv4 address. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.